What's up guys, this is Steve from Santec IT Solutions. This is part 6 of my bare bones kit video series, and in this video I'll be installing the PSU. All you need to get started is a Phillips head screwdriver, 4 screws that should come with the power supply, and an anti-static wrist strap. A lot of people ask me what direction the fan should be facing when installing the PSU. The answer to that question is very simple. It really doesn't matter. It's up to you. I personally like to put my fan facing down. This way I know that it's sucking clean air into the system. Installing the power supply is very easy. All you have to do is slide it into the slot and put the screws in. Once the screws are lined up, it's very easy to finish the job. Notice that these screws are unpainted. That's not a coincidence. I'll explain why in just a moment. You always want to leave one screw slightly sticking out. And this is so you have a place to connect your anti-static wrist strap. Some people think it's okay to just connect their anti-static wrist strap to any part of the case. Well, that would work great, but unfortunately this entire case is painted, so that's not going to work. Here you can clip your anti-static strap right to this screw that I left sticking out on purpose. So now you're properly grounded and you can start building your custom PC. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.